So you've just got ActiveCampaign, but what's the first steps that you need to take after that? And no, it's not going out and sending out your first email. This is what I'll be covering in today's video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger and I help heart-centered businesses build and automate their online marketing systems. Now, as I said previously, when you first get ActiveCampaign, you have the urge to go and start sending out your emails, creating automations, but that's not really the first things that you need to concentrate on. For me, when you get it, you need to go and make sure that all the behind the scenes things are set up correctly. So when you get in there, make sure that all your admin information is correct. So make sure that you've got your username set up correctly, your signature. Also making sure that you have your user set up. So if you're using this in a business and there's going to be multiple people using the account, make sure that you set them up in the application correctly so that they have access to what they need to. Why do we want to do this? Because sometimes people do leave the business and you want to make sure that they don't have access to your CRM system. You know, this is going to be one of the main systems in your business and you want to make sure that it is protected. So giving your employees their own login details will make sure that, one, it's more secure, but also that they only have access to the things that you want them to. Now, the other thing that you need to make sure is that you set your physical mailing address. Now, this is required to send out any email from an autoresponder system. You'll see, when you send out emails, your physical address is at the bottom of those emails. So you need to make sure that this is set up. It's not something that's automatically done. So you need to go into your settings and enter this physical mailing address. Without doing it, you will not be able to send out any emails. Now, you can also set up branding and the appearance. There will be some settings that you won't have access to, but again, it depends on what account you have got and the level that you have. Now, one of my last tips for this initial tip is the email authentication. Now, why do you want to change this? Well, when you first get your app up and running, ActiveCampaign takes care of everything for you, which is great. But one thing it can do is hurt your deliverability. And also when you're sending out emails, it might say on behalf of Jason Kruger and actually have ActiveCampaign's kind of email address behind that. So you want to make sure that this is set correctly so that it has your email address so that people are not suspicious of this email that's coming into them. So again, you'll need to go into your settings, go to the email authentication and set this up correctly. Now you will need to know your DNS settings and make changes there. You put in your domain name and it will give you all the settings that you need to place in there. So if you are struggling with knowing where to go to change your DNS settings for the email authentication, or if you just want to know the best practices when starting out using ActiveCampaign, then maybe you should look at my ActiveCampaign workshop. It's called ActiveCampaign Without Trauma, and I go through the best practices for using tags, lists, and a few other bits and pieces about autoresponders. But I also go through the kind of tech walkthrough of ActiveCampaign and showing you how to use certain parts of it. So if this does interest you, then just go to jasonkruger.com/ACWT and it will take you where you can find out more information about that. So I hope that is something that you might look at and see if it will help you with your ActiveCampaign account. So overall, I hope you enjoyed this tip and that you've got some more information about it. And if you do, please leave a comment below this video. I would definitely like to help you more. And if there are any other questions regarding ActiveCampaign, again, just leave them below and I will make sure that I answer them for you. Now, again, if this information has helped you, then please look to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified when I next post a video. Now, I will be doing more of these tips for ActiveCampaign, so please make sure that you do subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one.